Hello guys, in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of KenXinDa M66, which is the world's smallest smartphone. It's not smartphone, but it is a phone with which you can do calls and other things. So this is its box, and let's see the box. It's written KenXinDa. KenXinDa is a Chinese company, and here are some barcodes. Here are the things. Its MRP in India is 10.99 inclusive of all taxes, and its content, it contains one each of transceiver, charger, battery, user guide, warranty card, etc. And it was imported in January. So now let's check it out. It's written M66. It's a little broken. I got the little crushed package from ShopClues, and on ShopClues I viewed it and it is now out of stock. I think this was the last piece. Now let's open it. For this I'll use a knife, and let's open it from here. Okay, so let me open its polythene. Okay, so now the polythene is out and the box is here with us. Now let's open the box. First we'll break the seal. Here the seal is here, white colored. Let's cut it. It's a little hard. It's taking some time. Yeah, it is now open. Now let's open the box. The phone is here. Let's keep the phone and check out other components of the box. So here's the box. Let's open it, and it has got a charger and a battery. KenXinDa is written on it, and it has also got 12 months warranty. That's nice. So now let's check out the battery. Insert the battery in the phone. First open the phone. Yeah, this is the phone. You can check it has all metal around it, and its frame is also metal. It's written M66 on its top, and it also has a digital camera with speakers. See, it's written digital camera here, and it has got all metal back, as you can see the reflections there. So this is the phone, and up here it is the receiver. It's removable. The back is all of metal, as I have already told, and it can contain 2 SIM and 1 memory card. Let's insert a SIM into it. I have a micro SIM, so let's see it will be inserted or not. Let's insert in SIM 1. I don't know how it will be opened. Yeah, it is now open. Let's insert the SIM. Yes. Let's keep it here and close it and check if it's working or not. Let's lock it. Okay, it's done. Now we'll apply the battery. First let's open the battery. It's some barcode here. and it's a seal. Okay, so here's the battery. It's slim and it's written KenXinDa. Let's apply it. Okay, so the battery is now fit and the case is closed. Let's boot up the phone. It can come in your hand. It's really small. I can tell you in the video, as you can see, it's of the size of my finger. It's really small. And let's boot it up. Okay, so okay, it has got some great voice. Let's skip this process of date and all. Okay, so here's a home screen and it's searching for network. I don't know it's working or not. And here's the menu with apps. And it has also games. It's the snake game, the classical snake game. So it's showing emergency call that my SIM does not work. Okay, my SIM works. It has some contacts of my SIM. But it has a really small screen. It is sometimes feels really small. So now its keypad is also, keys are also really small. Its calling is also nice. I'm seeing its voice. I'm calling on my other phone which is now switched off. I'm seeing its receiver's voice. So it's great for this device, and it's also a budget device. It comes in 1000 rupees, which is also less than the Jio phone. But the Jio phone can access the internet, it is Wi-Fi and all. But this phone is also nice for some users that do not use the phone much. And let's check out the camera. After pressing the up key, the camera opens and let's check it out. Let's bring the battery. No, this. Okay. Its clarity is just... So you don't expect much from a small phone. Its camera is just okay. But what is the use of the camera on this phone? Because no one will use the camera on this phone. Everyone will use it as a device. So thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys.